G'day viewers, this is Troy from Troy's Visual Arts channel. I've the other day I've done another curbside pickup of junk off the street. This time I picked up a lot of tools. I have here what looks to be grounding rods and other pieces and files there and spanners, all old tools from God knows when. Of course, they're all very, very rusty, and I'm sort of been looking for a decent technique to remove the rust from these tools. And I've thought about electrolysis, but there's a few problems with that. One, most notably, it releases hydrogen gas. And another, I'm not sure how much power it would consume to run the battery charger for a couple of days on it. But I found a much more cost-effective method and a more safer method, which is using molasses. And I've watched a few YouTube videos and saw some Aussie guy using molasses to wash his old hot rod parts in, and I thought, oh yeah, pretty cool. So I'll definitely go with that method. It suggested I use 1 part molasses, 9 parts water, so I'm going to do that. And I only got half a jar of molasses here, so I'm not sure how much water I'm going to end up with filling this container, but hopefully a decent amount so I can put a lot of tools into rust remove. Of course, I'll go out and buy some more molasses to do the rest of them should I not fit all of them in there. Anyhow, I'm going to get started with using the molasses and the water. Okay, I've now mixed the half-filled jar of molasses with water in a ratio of around 1 part molasses, 9 to 10 parts water. And doesn't quite give me much water from that half jar of molasses, so I can't really put all my tools in, but I'll just put in a sample selection to test the process out to see if it works as good as people demonstrate, which I'm pretty sure it will. And yeah, I've just mixed the molasses around, so we have a nice pungently odored molasses water mixture. And I'm now ready to dunk some of those rusty tools. Just going to put a couple of rods in. These ones I kind of wire brush scraped and gotten the really some of the rust off, and I've actually put some WD-40 on them to further get rid of some more of the rust. Still lightly rust coated, but now hopefully this molasses will further remove the rust. So I'll dunk those in. Sample select some files from the bucket of files. Just pick some of the smaller ones because I'm more likely to use those than the larger ones. So you might find a large one if it'll fit. Won't do that one. Just pick some of the really rusty ones, see if they will de-rust. We'll find some rusty spanners. They look to be about as old as the hills by the look of them. And a few Allen keys. And the small ones. Allen keys spinners. So I might as well throw them all in. Yeah. So yeah, I'll pretty much jam pack as many tools I can in here and let the rust removal process begin. Just have to find a better way to arrange them so I can fit as many in as possible. It's probably as much as I can fit in there, so yeah, I'll let the rust removal process begin. I heard it takes about, I read up on the internet, it takes roughly about a couple of days for it to, for the rust to, completely remove from these tools. Well, I could be wrong. I'll just have to do a little bit more researching, but yeah, I'd say a couple of days, and yeah, I'll check back in a couple of days to see if the rust has come off these tools. So till then, this is Troy from Troy's Visual Arts channel signing out.